Good morning, guys. So it's 8:30 in the morning. We are still in the Swiss Alps. It's crazy cold up here right now. We have minus 11 degrees Celsius. So I'm doing this quick intro to the video in the car. Any minute that I don't have to spend outside is, is a win. So what I'm doing now, like we're just at the sunrise right now here in the mountains, and I'm heating up the battery and the drone, like and the controller and everything, so that the flight's gonna be as pleasant as possible when I get out there. Gonna have a look. Here we have the drone, there we have the controller. And the plan is to send it over a lake because it looked really beautiful with the fog and everything, and hopefully we're gonna get some cool shots. So I'm gonna get the drone ready and then let's go and send it. Alright, so the conditions just got even better. Like, it looks beautiful how the sun hits exactly the spot that I wanted to fly, to like start the flight, the dive, and I think it's gonna look amazing. So let's plug this boy in and let's go up there. Careful. All right.
Telemetry recovered.
All right. Ready to go. It's cold, man. Minus 11 degrees. Freaking cold. But we have 15 satellites. That's amazing. All right, let's get ready. Let's go. Let's do this. Yeah. All right, let's go slowly over there. Yeah, that's the fog I was talking about. Nice. Alright, signal looks good over the lake, that's nice. Worst case it's frozen over, so at least it doesn't drown. But I think the ice is not thick enough yet to go over it, to walk on it, but alright. Gonna start the climb. Why is my connection iffy? Come on, mate. 50, yeah. Why was there some lagging? Do the climb over here and then we dive the sunny side. Three, 8, 5. Yeah, let's go. Let's get up there. Nice and slow. Oh man, my fingers are freezing. Looks beautiful though. Alright, so we're getting into position. Let's have a look around. Yeah, this is the side I want to dive, I think. Should be good. It always looks so far in the goggles, like way farther than in real life. Okay, we go over there. Maybe I dive straight here, like this hill that we are on. Yeah, I feel this one on the right is too far away, so I'm gonna dive this one here. Gonna do. Oh man, with the sun, looks amazing. Yeah, we dive this side here. Let's go.
Telemetry lost.
Yeah.
Recovered.
And locking in, yes. Beautiful. Slow. Get some sun over here. Oh man, yes.
Telemetry lost.
Cruise over here. Alright, what the... Oh, I could have gone the line left. Whatever. Let's catch this one here. And then, to finish off, we go over the lake, through the fog, and should have a beautiful scenery opening up. Yeah. Oh man, I hate this. When it's so wide, you don't know how high you are. I'm waiting on the water to close in on the ground. Yeah, let's do it now. Yeah, this should be okay. Oh yeah. Alright, here we can close in. Yeah, oh yeah, boy. Low and nice. Over the ice. Alright, let's try it again. I think that was the line for the dive. And now I'm just gonna catch some of this foggy fog. It's a rise song. Oh man, I can't feel my fingers anymore. Such a pain. Everything for the shot. Okay, this is the shot, yeah. And dive. Fog. Nice, nice, curving, curving. Alright, this looks sweet. Beautiful. Wow. Holy shit. I hope nobody stole my camera. Let's have a quick look. Yes, alright, still there. Somebody was just walking by, and I mean, lucky this is Switzerland, but okay, last flight, because I want to do that bridge for the finale. So we do the same flight again. I should have enough battery for that. Alright, let's dive here. Okay, it's getting low. Okay, grande finale. Steady. Oh man, I can't feel my thumb anymore. Just want to hit this bridge and then we're done here. Yeah, boy. Woo, 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 woo. Oh man, signal was iffy. Oh boy. Okay, okay, let's come back home. Yeah, that was a close call. Oh shit. Alright. Oh man, I can't feel my hands. I can't feel my face. Bro. Okay, and sketchy landing just next to the road, of course. Alright, 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 come slow. Ah! Oh man, I feel my hands. I can't feel my hands. Oh, give me that heat pad. Oh, bro. Whew. This is mental. Oh my god. Alright, I'm not gonna do long out here anymore. Let me know in the comments if it was worth it, the pain. Oh, bro. I think so. I think the conditions were beautiful. The shot looked amazing with the dive, the fog, and those beautiful mountains in the back. I forgot the name of them. They're not really famous, but I think one of those peaks looks really unique and really pretty. So I'm just gonna unplug this bird and go warm up in the car, and see you in the next one.